Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today I'm going to walk you through 3 nice hairstyles. I'll start out with a quiff, move on to a side part and then finish off with this slick hairstyle. So hang on till the end of this episode.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
Is done, so I'd like you guys to write in the comment section down below what you think of these 3 hairstyles and which product you like the most. Also, you can be a part of the giveaway if you just hit the like button and is a subscriber to the channel. We'll randomly pick 1 comment next week, next episode, for 3 nice Vilain hair products. See you guys next time.